Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Bluetooth on your Ford Escape. First, make sure your vehicle is safely parked. Then, navigate to the sync system on your car's display. You will want to select the Add Device option or something similar to begin the pairing process. Simultaneously, activate Bluetooth on your mobile phone and ensure it is discoverable for new connections. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Once your phone's Bluetooth is active, look for your Ford Escape in the list of available devices on your phone screen. Select it to initiate the connection. A 6-digit PIN will appear on both your phone and the sync display. Confirm these numbers match to proceed. You might also be asked to grant permission for your contacts and messages to sync, which is usually a good idea for full functionality. With your phone paired, you can now enjoy hands-free calling. Simply use voice commands or navigate the sync screen to dial numbers or access your contacts. To play music, select Audio or Media on the sync system and choose Bluetooth as your source. You can easily control the volume using the convenient steering wheel buttons or the central display. This makes driving much safer and more enjoyable. Over time, you might accumulate several paired devices. It is a good practice to remove old or unused ones from your sync system to keep things tidy. If you encounter any connection issues, a simple restart of Bluetooth on both your phone and the car often resolves the problem. For more detailed information or specific model features, always refer to your Ford Escape's owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.